Hello everyone, today I want to give you the demonstration about how to use our VNNOXCare app to do the screen configuration. First, we need to make sure our device is connected to our Wi-Fi. And we back to the settings and search the Wi-Fi AP of our device. Yes, now we can see the TU20 Pro Wi-Fi here and we can connect it. Then back to the VNNOXCare app and refresh it. Now we can find our devices in our list. Now we can connect it to the device. Okay, it's showing already connected successfully.
Okay, let's see how to configure the network in VNNOXCare application. Click Config Network. Select your Wi-Fi and enter the password and then connect to the network.
Now we can click this button and we can get in this interface. The first, we can do the screen configuration. And now we have the new function about scan the code. That means we can use this function to scan the QR code for the RCFG file. And here we can select the cabinet information and how many modules in width and height we can select it here. And because we use the cabinet for this screen, so we can skip this step. And now we can send it to the order receiving card directly, and we click send here. Finish this operation, sending the RCFG file to our screen. And after this, we can do the screen connection. And we click this button, and there are two options. And we can use this automatic, take a photo with your phone to connect the receiving card automatically. And we can click this button, and it will show mapping information on your screen. Then we can take a photo of our screen. Then it can send our configuration file to the screen directly. Okay, after finish the screen configuration, and we can do the same correction because sometimes we meet some problems like dark lights or bright lights. So we can use this function to adjust the effect of our screen. Also, this function can support two modes. The first is automatic. We can click this button and get in this interface. Because this screen is made by the cabinet, but the cabinet height is not correct because it's the irregular cabinet. So we need to change the height here. And we change it as 216. After that, we click OK. Then we can take a photo of our screen now. We need to make sure our screen fills the entire white frame. Then we can take a photo. Okay, we already finished the take photo of our screen. Now it can generate the coefficients of calibration directly and send the coefficients to the screen automatically. After we finish the correction of the bright lights or dark lights automatically, and we can adjust it manually. And we can click this button and we can touch the panel here. You can see on the screen, and we can change to select the different lights. For example, we take this light as the example and we double click it, and now we can scroll down the button or scroll up. Then we can change the bright lights or dark lights here. Okay, after this we can see the comparison between the before the calibration and the after calibration. This is the before effect. After we do the calibration, the effect is more better. Okay, after this we can save it to the hardware directly. And after we finish the same correction, and we can view screen details here. Okay, after we finish all the settings, our screen is shown normally now. Then we can back up to the cloud directly for this menu, for this button. And we click this and select your node and username, input your username and password, and also your device here. And we can click backup directly. Okay, so this is the function of the backup to the cloud. And the next, we can do some display test patterns here. Like we can change the red color and the green color and blue color and yellow color here. Okay, so another function is screen recovery, because sometimes we may meet problem like we lost all the files like RCFG file and screen configuration file, and we can do the screen recovery directly just by one button. And we click this button, we will get in this interface. Okay, now it can show all the details, information about your TU20 Pro, and we can click the recover directly here. So another page is about the control function, and we click the control here, and we can see some different buttons to change the different parameters of our screen. First is the screen brightness. We can change it here directly. Okay, you can see the brightness of the screen already changed. And also the volume of our media. And also we can change the different video source here, like internal source or HDMI 1, HDMI 2. And also can support the scaling function here. And also the time synchronization. And we can open it or off it here. And also we can view the screenshot directly, and we can check the status of our screen in this page. And also we can support clean up and upload media here. And the last button is a restart the device. Okay, so this is all the functions of the control page.